trips to Panipat were basically devoted to finding a map of the city. The other thing was to go and discover the historical sites that were there in the city. I was collecting colors, I was collecting association. So you see this association being featured in the map. The decision of the scale was a combination of me wanting to do a really large piece and then going to the site of the factory, all the different factories of Raj overseas, and realizing that here was a place where I could finally explore that idea of doing a really, really large piece. I had the manpower and I had the support. I would never have been able to do it on my own in my studio. I discovered the braiding section on my second or third visit to the factory and instantly knew that I had found a connection. I walked around seeing the threads being braided, the braids being stitched together, then being cut according to the designs and restitched painstakingly. I was led to the headmaster, Sri Rampal, who would become my co-conspirator through the project. He was always willing to try my suggestions, augmenting them with his own expertise. Soft-spoken and a thorough gentleman, he readily shared his knowledge of the medium to help me complete the work. I spent a lot of time in the braiding section during my initial visits, and the quiet but reassuring presence of Sri Rampal gave me the added confidence that anything could be made possible. The intense conversations about my work with Mishra ji, head of the screen printing department, became a platform for a fruitful exchange of ideas about art and craft. The differences between singular art pieces versus production and its demands became a pertinent topic for discussion between us. His entire team worked with great speed and dexterity to create the second layer of the map of Panipat. I also spent many days in the embroidery section. Miraj, the hardworking young man who helped me with all the RE embroidery for the smaller detailed panels, is a skilled craftsman with an eye for detail. He was able to grasp my ideas immediately and help realize them effectively. Verma ji from the Pitloom section was extremely prompt in helping to weave one of the smaller panels of the map. And what would I have done without Kanhaiya, a young fellow from the tufting section? He helped me patiently each time to set up my piece and teaching me how to use the tufting gun.